Hello everyone, today we will stretch and cover back and how to stretch your back right without pain. I will show you now some exercises, so stay with me. So first what you're starting to do, you're starting to raise our body, so in one side and change in another side. So 1, 2, 3, change side, 1, 2, 3. Okay, slowly take our stomach on the floor, take our shoulders together and start to stretch. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you want stretching back, stay with me. Okay. After that, take first one leg, 1, 2, 3, and change leg, 1, 2, 3. And now try to take 2 legs together and forehead. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that, you can use the blocks. It's easy for your stretch. So I will use the blocks and stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slowly go behind and relax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like my stretch back. Follow me, takes me likes, and go and watch my another video. So bye bye. Hello everyone, today we will do middle split, and how to do that, stay with me, and I will show you some exercises which help you to work with your mobility hips. So first what we'll start to do, we will sit in this position and start working. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fast 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you want beautiful middle split, stay with me and we will continue. So after that we will get sit in this position and working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, after that we can try to take legs on our blocks and stretch. Take it 1, 2, 3, and try to take in this side and try to 1, 2, 3. So after that, try go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and try take our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the legs together. Slowly pull it out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like my middle splits. Follow me and text me like. So bye bye.